Good evening, students. Today I am going to start control and coordination. Okay, our nervous system help us in a various work. Okay, so today we are going to learn about how our nervous system help us in our coordination. Okay, so we know that our eyes is for sight. Okay, and our ear is for hearing, our nose is for smelling, our tongue is for for taste, and also for salt, sour, sweet kind of taste, and our skin is for sensation or for touching. Okay, so in we didn't know it earlier that how it work actually. So let's start how it works. Okay, so because of our nervous system we can feel and we can have so many sensation inside our body, but how it work, it is very important to know about this. So in our nervous system there is a nucleus. Okay, there is a nucleus inside it, and how like if there is some information, suppose there is a snake in our root. Okay, so how we will save ourselves from the snake? Due to our nervous system. Okay, due to the our coordination system, due to our knowledge of thought, like it's only depend on our thought. We can see children have no the power of thoughts. They could not think, so they will also not save their life from snake. And even there is a heat thing around them, they could not recognize that this is harmful or beneficial for them. So it is all depend upon our thought system. If our thought system is strong, we can control and we can maintain our nervous system also. According to that, we have voluntary voluntary actions, involuntary actions, and reflex action. It is all belong to our nervous system. So let's start. So first, our dendrite, it acquire all the information. Okay, the end of the dendrite, it acquire all the information from outside information it acquire, and then after it goes to our cell body, near cell body. Okay, and where lots of chemical reactions occur and it create electric impulse. Okay, what it will create, it will create electric impulses, and it passes from cell body to dendrite. Okay, dendrite to cell body it will passes, and then after it passes to cell body. After the cell body it passes to axon. Okay, axon, and also the end of the axon. So at the end of the axon, to its end, electric impulses set off. Okay, again electric impulses sets off, the release of some, there also excretion of some chemical. Okay, and this chemical cross the gap between the synapses, between the axon end, and then it start stimulation. Okay, and then our brain just got the information from this kind of reactions, and then our brain just told how to react. Okay, afternoon students, today I'm going to teach you control and coordination. So we have so many things from day to night that our nervous system and brain control it. Okay, first we wake up in the morning and just suppose we want to drink chai or any shakes. So what will happen, our brain told some receptor in our brain told our hand to crush the things like banana, apple, or anything which we want. And after that what will happen, our hand try to make the things. It's a long process, but there are some process which we take action in a short duration of a second. Okay, this is known as a reflex action. For this our brain will not work. For this our spinal cord need to act. So it's actually it's react by our muscular body. Good evening students. Yesterday I have taught you some topic in a control and coordination. So just have a short recap. Okay. So first, when any information arise, it will acquire on a it will acquire on a dendron site. Okay, dendron sites of our nervous system. Okay, this part is known as nucleus. This part is a nucleus, and after that some chemical reaction will occur here, and the information reach to the cell body. After cell body, what happened? The chemical reactions change in and it convert into electrical impulses, and it pass the information just near to axon. Okay, and through the it's a axon. Okay, and it's the end of axon, and after that same will run thoroughly, and from this side, and it's a nerve ending side. Okay, so in that way our information pass from one end to another. It's the gap between one end to another is known as synapses. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, and now I'm going to teach you reflex action. Reflex actions are those kind of actions which our brain will not control. Who will control them? Our spinal cord control it. Because why spinal cord control? Because it's when we pass some information to brain, it take time. Okay, and reflex action, in those kind of action, we need immediate action. Okay, like suppose our hand is burning, and then sensory organ pass the information. Where it will pass the information to our brain. Okay, and then brain start recognizing where I have to send the information. Then he tell to other part of body, and then after it will take a few minutes. Okay, it will take few minutes to pass the information to our muscular system. So our hand start to turn away. Okay, turn away the hand from heat. Until then, into this duration of time, our hand will burn like a coal. Okay, so in that case we do not ask from brain. This kind of action we will not ask from brain because it took a lot of time. So in that way is our spinal cord help us to take immediate action. Okay, take immediate action, and we just take away our hand. In same way, it's like if if we can see a snake. Okay, if we can see a snake, we run away. Due to why we run away? Because our sensory organ just show us to run away to see a snake. Okay, in same way, if we will see any dangerous things and dangerous situation, we run away. So it all because of thinking. Okay, so children like a newborn children, mad people, animals, they won't have this kind of thinking capacity. Okay, absent thinking capacity. So they will take action. Okay, they will take action, but very late. They will take action. They have less, like they have no thinking capacity, less thinking capacity, so they will take action but later on, like after late. Okay, so it is dangerous for them, like they will burn themselves very easily. So we have a 3 part in our brain. One thing before that, I am going to tell you that the who will pass the information between brain to spinal cord, messenger like work will done by cranial nerve. This is the only nerve. You have to remember, this is very important point. You have to remember that a cranial nerve will interlink between brain and spinal cord, and it convey all the messages. Okay, so we have a 3 part in our brain. First is a forebrain, second is a midbrain, third is a forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So it's a back side of a brain, it's a mid side, it written, and it's a forward side of a brain. So where all the reasoning power are situated, it's in a forebrain. Forebrain contain mostly thinking. Better thinking will start here. Okay, creativity, and here all sensory organ get their work to do, like a hand, like eyes for seeing. Okay, nose for smell, ear for hearing, and skin for touch, and tongue for sensation, tongue for also for taste. Okay, tongue for taste. So it is all for this chapter, and soon I will cover your PT2 syllabus. Okay, so just take help from this all, and all the best for your PT2 examination science. Okay, good night.